What's up, everybody? So, started this little journey of mine traveling across the country on Thursday night. It's now Saturday, like 11:30, and I'm just about to get to Colorado in about, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes. 35 minutes. I'm going to be getting out of this awful state of Kansas. Sorry if anybody likes Kansas, but it's just not my thing. Just a lot of things have been going on in my life over the last few years that I feel there can't be all that much sadness in your life, right? All the time. So I'm out here trying to find happiness. That's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna be making some videos. I'm gonna show you guys my truck and how I'm living. Not staying at any hotels. Living out of my truck, basically. I got the whole thing set up, and that's what we're doing. Gonna be in Colorado for about 5 days, and then after that I'm heading to California for a few more days, and then my buddy's gonna meet me out there, and we're gonna start our travels back towards Delaware. But this has been so long waiting, and I'm just really happy to be out on the road and just out here doing stuff, and I feel good. Things feel good. My brain feels good. Body's feeling okay, and just trying to heal, basically. So stay tuned, and I will let you guys know what's going on throughout the trip. So, all right, talk to you soon. Hey guys, how's it going? Well, it's been a long time since I've been on Facebook. I haven't really posted anything or anything like that, so I've just been trying to get my shit together, we'll say. And I think I have some stuff figured out a little bit. I'm on the road. I'm on the road right now, traveling. Just seeing stuff, working, of course, getting ready to go to work right now, but that's the way we make the potatoes, to go to work, so we have to do it. But yeah, man, I'm in Colorado right now, and I've never seen anything like this. The mountains are beautiful, the weed's delicious. It's an amazing place. I'm gonna be here a few days, and then I'm heading out to the next place. But I hope you guys can maybe follow me on this journey and see where it all goes. But for now, we're in Colorado, right outside Denver, and we're gonna be here, like I said, for a couple days. So stay tuned, and I will keep you updated. Have a great day. Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm here in beautiful Colorado. I'm up in the mountains. I mean, this is just gorgeous out here. Nobody else around. It's just beautiful. So if anybody's been to Colorado, hit me up and let me know if there's anything I should check out while I'm here. I'm gonna be here for a few days and then heading west. So, all right, I will talk to you guys soon. Hey, what's going on, guys? So, it's currently 3:55 a.m. I just got back to the National Forest here in Denver after working all night. I'm beat. I'm just getting everything set up here, getting ready to go to sleep. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little creepy out here. It's super, super dark, and there's nobody around. And I got no cell service. So, it's a little creep, but it's a free place to sleep. So, this is where we're sleeping. And, yeah. Tomorrow I'm gonna get up and maybe go into town. I was actually thinking about trying to go to this Death Valley. I've heard a few things now about it, and I think I want to go check it out. I'm only here for a few more days, so I want to check out some cool stuff. I wanted to go take a shower today at Planet Fitness, and my towel was gone. I don't know what happened to it. It just disappeared. So that's a thing. So I got to went to the store and got some new towels so I can get a real shower tomorrow. So that's the plan, yeah. Get a shower, find something cool to do, and yeah. So I will get back to you guys later and hopefully upload a bunch of cool videos and pictures, because I got some really cool stuff. I'm actually camped out right now next to this freaking 20 foot high rock that's standing on its side. I'm gonna get some pictures of that tomorrow. It's freaking cool. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna get ready for bed, and that's about it. Good night, everybody. Like what? Oh, I don't know. Maybe. Yeah. San Juan River. Is it? Oh, I don't think we're going to be on both sides. New Mexico. I'm fine with New Mexico, I think. New Mexico is legal. Half a mile, break a right. Welcome to New Mexico. So we didn't go into Utah yet? No, we're not. I think maybe we did already. No, we would have told you. Oh, yeah.